Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the VANS Old School Space Voyager.
Oh yeah, let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack in a 7/8 black, don't clean.
Okay, so as per usual, we'll go over the details on the upper of this shoe, and then we'll move on to the on-foot video after that. This pair was part of a pack. I think it was 4 or 5 pairs to commemorate 60 years of space exploration and innovation. So the best part about these old schools is the whole upper and all the materials used to produce this pair of shoes were inspired by the original moon boots. The upper itself is all in this sort of medium soft leather in a white colour. On the lateral side, it's got the NASA branding and meaning on the side there, with the John F. Kennedy Space Center included on the side. And on the medial side, you've got the VANS stripe stitched in, as you usually get. And also on the upper, you get this nice tongue that's made out of reinforced mesh with a pull tab. One shoe says shuttle and the other shoe says mission, both located in the same place with the little pull tab. Upper's finished with white laces. It's not your usual flats that you get in VANS, but they're like a thicker, stretchier white lace. Another cool part about the upper of the shoe is the exposed foam that's worked around the ankle lining. I think that is a very nice little touch there. So I'm guessing somewhere on the space boots they did have exposed foam. On the back of the shoe you've got a Velcro patch, which is the American flag, which is also removable, so you can rock them with or without the flag, or you can put your own patch on there if you wish. And midsole is like a off-white creamy sort of colour. So on the front and the back of the midsole you got this reinforced bumper, which you can see there. And then on the instep of the midsole you can see there's a little slogan there which reads, "For the benefit of all." Don't know if that's coming up, but yeah, for the benefit of all. So on the outsole you get your standard waffle outsole, but this time it's got a gradient of different colours. I'm not sure what they represent, but it might be like different textures of different planets or different places on Earth, I don't know. But yeah, you get that little gradient on the outsole, and you get the standard VANS off the wall plaque on the heel. It's a bit of a pain trying to remove the insole on these, but yeah, I think they have like some sort of blueprint of the Space Center or something along those lines in there, so it's just like a white insole with some sketches on there. They're available at quite a few places, these, so I picked mine up at Foot Locker, and the retail price was £85, but luckily, since this weekend has the VIP 25% off, these weren't excluded from that 25% off deal. So I got these for £62 in store. I did manage to get my size in these. It's a nice little steal there. So I'd go for your usual size in VANS. Usually I'm a size 8, but in VANS I go 7 or 7.5 most of the time, and they fit quite well because of how wide they are. I think that's all there is for the details on these. I think they are one of the best VANS to come out in recent times. Last year was a big year for VANS. There's quite a few collaborations. This year you had A Tribe Called Quest and these NASA pack, which were the two standout packs to release this year. But yeah, wicked pair overall. Look forward to wearing these. I might get a few patches for the back, get these changed out. But yeah, that's about it for these. I'll have the on foot video coming straight after this. If you like this sort of content, just subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like this video and click the bell icon to be informed of any new uploads in the near future. Be sure to drop me a follow on Instagram as well at Rocket Don't Stock It, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Oh yeah, let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack in a 7/8 black on clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dubs like it ain't no thing. I hang with OG players, don't set trips, boy you might get what we call a rat pack. I don't slack when it come to street. I kick real G-funk to a gangsta beat. It's so sweet when you got money to spend. I got a proper big tilt and a fly big bench. I make ends, spend my dough on no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to the players that I know is real G's.
If you got love for them gangsters, let me hear you one time.